Fit type: universal fit. Package dimensions: 29.464 L by 5.08 H x 18.541 W centimeters. Included components: 30 amp relay base with wire harness, 30 amp circuit breaker, crimp-on terminals, mounting hardware. Made in United States. It's a good idea to relay your fuel pump for the street and a must when you're racing. Designed specifically to prevent voltage drops at the fuel pump to maintain constant fuel pump pressure and to prevent fuel pump amperage overloads from damaging the vehicle's electrical system. Kit includes 30 amp heavy-duty relay base with wire harness, 6 input, 6 output, 30 amp circuit breaker, crimp-on terminals and mounting hardware. Top reviews from the United States. Easiest fuel pump wiring in existence. Don't waste any more time procrastinating. This wiring setup is beyond straightforward. If you're like me and have a turbo car that doesn't send the proper voltage to the fuel pump from factory, use this wiring setup.